My reading for sign of Pisces for the next, let's take 2 weeks. I hope you guys are doing well. For some of you, there is someone interested in you, but you still have your walls up, your guards up. You are not completely ready for relationships, I would say. You're kind of a little fearful also, okay, because of your past experiences, okay. But there is someone who's interested, but this someone is more like physically attracted to you more than soulfully. I believe it's more physical attraction than any soul pull towards you, okay. With the Sun card, I do see you guys releasing the past, wanting to release the past, wanting to move forward. Okay, wanting. Okay, I'm not saying you have. I also see you guys moving forward now, wanting to be open to new things in life in the coming weeks. Okay, you guys do have a plan. I believe of wanting to do something in a certain way. Okay, some of you could also have two options. With Nine of Cups, I do see your wishes being fulfilled this next 2 weeks. Things going your way after a long fucking time. Okay, I do feel honestly that the things you wanted in your life is slowly coming towards you. Okay, so be open towards it and be grateful for it. Okay, when you're grateful, you attract better, you attract more. Okay, what else do we see coming up for Pisces people, please? What else do we see coming up for Pisces? For some of you, you could be connecting with a fellow Leo. If it's not a Leo, it could also be a Sagittarius. With Ace of Cups, many of you guys are going to be getting a new lover. Okay, I believe you guys will have to make a choice between a past person and a new person. I definitely see for many of you that a new person is coming in. New person is definitely stirred your romantic interest. Yes, you are not completely open, but that does not mean you will never be open, right? So yeah, you'll definitely have two options. Some people are fighting for your attention. I believe this person is in some capacity fighting for your attention. You are not giving them exactly, but I believe you will be open in the next few weeks. Okay, right now this person could be a fire sign who's kind of texting you or messaging you or possibly trying to flirt with you in some which way. I also feel for some of you this could also be a water sign. Okay, so fire and water are the two signs I see for now. Fire being Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Water being Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, for some of you, you guys are already married. Okay, so that could be a blockage for few of you, not for all. With Three of Cups, right now you could just want to stay friends or not really want to get into anything serious. You just want to spend good time with this person maybe, or you're just open to spending good time. You're not really wanting to get into anything serious as of now. So far, I believe you're wanting to just heal yourself. For many of you, there could be a Sagittarius who is of importance. With Knight of Pentacles, this person has been trying for a while now. Okay, but now they are very much eagerly coming in. Prior to this, they were like around you, but not really making any sort of action or move. But right now, I see them like putting in effort, like flirting, wanting to show themselves that they are, show you that they are interested. Okay, so yeah, let's start the reading now. So for Pisces, so far so good, darling. Let's start. So what's the overall energy going to be like for Pisces in terms of their soulmate connection? What's the overall energy going to be like for Pisces for the next 2 weeks, Spirit? What do we see coming up for Pisces people, please? One card for that. With King of Pentacles, honestly, I believe some of you are going to meet someone who is a businessman or a businesswoman. Doesn't matter. But for some of you, this person is someone wealthy. Okay, and someone who could be very financial focused, who has a good plan in terms of where their career is going, or they have a solid plan in terms of their finances. Okay, it could also be that for some of you, you are very much focused on your finances now. You just want to get back on track financially. You're not so focused on relationships. Could also be for some of you, not for all. Okay, but with Queen of Cups, I do see you eventually having or developing feelings for this person, new or old, whoever you are interested in. Okay, so one card for their energy towards Pisces, one card for Pisces soulmates energy towards Pisces now. With with Ace of Wands, this person is extremely passionate about you. Okay, like they find you physically very, very attractive. Okay, with King of Cups, they with King of Cups, I believe that they could have not really expressed their feelings, but you know in some which way that they are interested in you. Okay, there could be some crazy flirting going on. Not a very expressive person, however, but still a flirt. Okay, could be a Libra for that sake, but whatever. But I do feel like this person is very much interested, like into getting something started with you. To be honest, okay. So how are they possibly going to come forward towards Pisces now? So how are they possibly going to come forward towards Pisces now? For some of you, this person will give you a lot of attention. Okay, I see them wanting to give you a lot of attention, wanting to come in freely, but in terms of feelings or expressing like what they truly have, I still feel like they are going to resist. Okay, they are still resisting the temptation of completely opening up emotionally to you. However, I still see them giving you attention. Okay, so one card for what are they wanting to offer you now? What's the Pisces Summit possibly wanting to offer Pisces? What's the Pisces Summit possibly wanting to offer Pisces? For some of you, this could be a Leo. I'm getting a Leo very strong. This person possibly wants to give you a lot of attention. One, okay, they want to be victorious with you. They want to move things forward with you. They want to be around you for sure, physically as well. Okay, for now I see them giving you attention. I do not see them giving you any sort of promises as such, but I do see them giving you a lot of attention for now. Okay, so yeah, in terms of their feelings towards you, in terms of their true feelings towards Pisces, what are their true feelings towards Pisces? One card for what are their true feelings towards Pisces? In terms of Wheel of Fortune, this person might be very much, like they feel a pull towards you. I would say, some might also feel like you are their destiny. Sounds weird, but yes. Okay, with Ten of Wands, they have been a part of a very painful connection in the past, and right now they are trying to make things right with you. Okay, right now they're wanting to move things forward with you. Right now I do see them feeling a lot of intensity when it comes to Wheel of Fortune. There is a lot of intensity like that they feel for you. Okay, sometimes they feel they are fine, but sometimes they feel this strong pull, intense pull towards you, which they cannot sometimes even explain. So this could also be a Taurus for some of you. Okay, one card for how do they feel when they miss you or think of you? How does the Pisces truly feel when they think of Miss Pisces? This person definitely wants to move things forward. For some of you, this person might actually want to get in live in with you or get into a live in with you. In the past, they were very, very slow, but right now they want to bring in a lot of transformation. I would not say that they want to directly get married to you, because I'm talking to like a lot of people here, so I could not really be very direct about that. But I do feel in some capacity that this person is wanting to move things forward in the right direction. Like they want victory with you. I would not say marriage and stuff, but they are moving in that direction. Okay, that much I could tell you. Okay, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward now. Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Pisces? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Pisces? One card for this connection possibly moving forward for Pisces, people. This connection possibly moving forward for Pisces. With Six of Pentacles, I do feel the bottom card we have is Temperance. So I do feel there will be balance. If right now it seems very one-sided, I do see balance eventually coming in this connection. Okay. Top card, however, we have Ten of Swords. So you will have to end a connection in your life in order to move things forward with this connection. So you definitely have two choices. For some of you, I see it that way, that there is a toxic connection in your life which you have to end in order to move forward in life. You have some tough choices to make, darling. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you. What are their true intentions towards you? One card for Pisces soulmates, two intentions towards Pisces. Pisces soulmates, two intentions towards Pisces. It's either you or them. Someone will have to end something in order to be a part of this connection. Okay. Their intention is to put an effort and make things work with you. Okay, so I definitely see them putting an effort now. Okay, so one card for what are they wanting from you? What does this person want from Pisces? What does this person truly want from Pisces, Spirit? What does this person possibly want from Pisces now? I give you a very detailed reading, darling. So if it resonates, it resonates. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It doesn't. Okay, it's not a story. So since it's a general reading, it won't resonate with each and every one of you. If it does, please do consider hitting the like button. I'd be very grateful. Okay, right now this person wants you to be open to them or consider their option or whatever offer. Okay, this person definitely wants you to consider them right now. Okay, in the past you could have been resisting them. Okay, so secret message from your person, secret message from Pisces soulmate to Pisces. What does Pisces need to know about your person? Their secret message to Pisces. You are totally worth fighting for. Okay, you bring so much joy to me. I feel like a kid sometimes. Okay, so this person could be really loving your energy. Okay, they feel you're worth fighting for. Even if things are not right between the two of you, they want to make things right. Okay, with the Tower card, you guys could have had a fallout with them, or things did not really go the way they wanted to. Okay, they surely do feel a fallout with you, but they are wanting you to be open to them now. Okay, so yes, this was a reading for the sign of Pisces. If it resonated, darling, please do consider hitting the like button. If you are on Instagram, come and follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. I post a lot of spiritual stuff, and being the sign that you are Pisces, you guys do love a lot of spiritual stuff. So come in and you could give me a follow, and we could see things further. Thank you so much. Cheers.